Hello there. This video is going to talk about how to fix Seagate hard drive firmware problem step by step. Step 1. Install the firmware fix tool driver. Go to Polyfix website, log in as guest. The driver's name is PL2303. USB to serial driver. Just download it and run, and it will automatically install driver for you. After install the driver, restart your computer. A new COM port will appear on your computer's device manager. This is the port created by the firmware fix kit. We use this port to communicate with the hard drive. Step 2. Run the hyperterminal software and configure the COM port. This is the screenshot from Windows XP of hyperterminal software. You can run hyperterminal software from Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows 8. Just copy the software from Windows XP to your computer, or you can download from internet, or you can run PuTTY, which has the same function as hyperterminal software. This is the screenshot of hyperterminal software. This is the screenshot of how to select the COM port from the firmware fix tool. Because on one computer maybe have more than one COM port, you have to select the COM port from the fix kit. This is the screenshot of how to configure the COM port. Please do the exact same way as the screenshot shows. Step 3. Connect the firmware fix tool, the power supply, the computer, and the problem hard drive, like the picture shows. Double check all the connections. Make sure they are as same as the picture shows. Then turn on the independent power supply. Go back to the hyperterminal software window. After about 20 seconds, press Ctrl Z. You should then see a prompt like this. Type in /2 and the Enter key. Type in letter Z and the Enter key, and wait about 20 seconds. This picture shows how to pull out the small piece of static bag between the controller board and the hard drive. First, keep the power cable and the RS-232 cable be connected during this whole section. In other words, in this whole session, the controller board is fully charged, so every action should be very careful. Second, use the screwdriver to loose the two screws on the picture in the red small circle. We recommend to loose the screws. You do not have to take it out completely. In this way, you have less chance to let the screws and the screwdriver to touch the controller board. You lose the two screws enough to allow you to pull out the small piece static bag between the controller board and the hard drive. This picture shows after pulling off the small piece static bag between the controller board and the hard drive, how to screw the controller board to the hard drive. First, keep the power cable and the RS-232 cable be connected. In other words, in this whole session, the controller board is fully charged, so every action should be very careful. Second, we recommend screw back at least 3 screws to the controller board to secure the controller board to the hard drive. We use the red circle mark up the 3 necessary screws. Again, during this session, do not drop screws onto the controller board. Do not allow the screwdriver to touch the controller board. On the keyboard, type in capital letter U and the Enter key. And then you will hear the hard drive spin up. On the hyperterminal window, type in / and the number 1 and the Enter key. You will see something Smart Erase, Smart Sector stuff. And you will see the prompt will become F3 1. And you type in capital letter N and the number 1 and the Enter key. Turn off the power supply to power off the drive. Then wait about 60 seconds and turn on the power supply to power on the hard drive. On the keyboard, press and hold the control key and type in the letter Z and type in the exact same command as the screenshot shows. After 15 to 30 seconds, you should see something like the following in the white window. Please do not turn off the drive until you see this message. Once you've seen this message, you can turn off the drive, put the drive into a computer to see how it works. If it works, congratulations, you fix the hard drive. If it does not work, that means the hard drive got the problem beyond the firmware brick. One hard drive includes controller board, spindle, and disks. One of them got problem will cause the hard drive not work properly. This picture shows the procedure how we do data recovery for our clients. First, the client sends their hard drive to us. Second, we do data recovery. Third, we ship back the data to our clients. Thank you so much for taking your precious time to watch my video. Any comments are really appreciated. If this video is a little bit of help, could you please click on like to support me? Thank you again. Bye.